Are you? But we aren't talking about. We aren't really talking about slavery right now.
What's your question?
So I'm saying is Spider-Man's quote, since he is a fictional character and not real, is his quote reliable?
The people who wrote it are reliable.
Hey,
he was
one
made
question.
by a real person.
Did I ask who was made by? I said, is his quote reliable?
Yes, it is.
I doubt that. Alright.
What's your next
I want to ask, do you believe that every community, it's like you said, there's bad people in freedom of speech, right? Like they misuse freedom of speech. Do you think there's bad people who would misuse standards in communities? Do you think there's bad people who if every community is allowed to make standards for their community, like you said you want, do you think there's people who abuse that power, just like they abuse freedom of speech like you're trying to say for us?
Well, what would be the difference then?
You know what?
Now you ask questions. Do you think there are people who would be abusing standards in communities?
No. You do have the right to leave.
I don't think so, because in everything like all right, well.
Bring it up and
Also, I want to ask one more thing. Is anyone really forced to be where they are, like in their area?
No, they are not forced. That's where you can leave.
But you just said that they are like there's.
Some people can.
Changing. I hear change in the argument. All right. So but y'all just said that you have no control over wherever you are. So you believe that no one has control over wherever they are?
Some people have control over where they are.
So you just went against what you just said?
No, I didn't.
I'm done. Yeah.
Wait, so
I'm gonna stop.